Hi guys, welcome to Mini Bike Store video blog. In this video today I'm gonna show you how to assemble the electric quad from Nitro motors. It's a Repti 6-inch. So I will unbox the quad, I will show you what is in the box, and I will step by step I will show you how to properly assemble the quad. So here it is what we get in the box. As you can see, it's nicely packed. In the cardboard box there is a steel frame which secure the quad in transport. Here we have a box with tools, some parts, there is a charger also, and the user manuals. So here it is, the quad, it's in red color. First you will need to disassemble the frame. Next, cut the wire here which holds the quad to the frame. And the same on the front. Now you can leave the quad and place it on a stand. When you leave the quad, make sure you hold for axle, as the rear shock is not connected, so make sure you don't break the cable here. Just hold the axle when you leave the quad. So first we will start from the front. So place the quad on the stand, and now we can open the box with parts. So here in the bag we have foam for the handlebars, we have the front mudguard, the front bumper, we have the charger, the bag with tools and some bolts, and also we get the user manuals which you can read before you use the quad, but if you watch my videos you won't need it. So first we'll need to install this mudguard here. To do so you need to remove this bolt here. Next we'll install the handlebars. So unwrap the handlebars. Here you have the battery indicator. Place the handlebars in position. Now in the back you have the clamps for handlebars and the bolts. So you need to take 2 short bolts and 2 long ones. Place the bottom clamp, then the top clamp with the short bolt on this side, same on the other side. And on the top, on the front, insert the battery indicator and insert the long bolt through it. Now place the handlebars on the middle and in the position like this, and you can tighten all 4 bolts. Next, check the brake levers, make sure they're tight properly. Next, we will need to connect the front arm with the front shock absorbers. You can also double check the top ones. Do the same on the other side. Next, we will install the front bumper. And tighten all 4 bolts now. Next, you will need to install the front wheels. Remove the bolt here. Make sure the cable is going that way. Insert the wheel in position and insert the bolt through it. And tighten the bolt. Do the same on the other side. Now you can check if the brakes are properly regulated. Here is okay. Here also. If they are not, you can check our video how to regulate the brakes. Next we need to connect the steering rods on both sides. Do the same on the other side. Next you will need to check the loose here. As you can see, it is loose, so we'll need to tighten this bolt here. Now the loose is gone. Next I will install the foam on the handlebars. So we have all done on the front. We can move to the back now. Here at the back we will only need to connect the rear shock here at the bottom. secure it with the nut. Next we'll install the reflecting light. Next you should check the rear wheels, make sure they turn very easy. Make sure the brake is properly adjusted. If not, you have to adjust the brake and the chain is properly tight. Check the air pressure in the wheels, and now if the air pressure is okay, we can test the quad. Here in the back we have a key for the speed controls. The speed control is here just at the back, so you can insert the key into the ignition. Test the quad. First you will need to insert the fuse. Here is the fuse box. You get 2 fuses in the bag, so insert one of them into the fuse box. It will light, don't worry, it's normal. Close the fuse box, and now we can test the quad. Insert the key into ignition, turn the ignition on. You should get the lights on, like here. Here we can test the horn. And to test the quad, turn this switch here into the forward. Press the safety switch here, hold it. Now here is one speed. We can change the speed and test the other speed. Here is the slowest one, the third speed. We can also check the reverse. Here is neutral, that's the reverse. So again, press the switch and hold it. So everything is working perfect. Now before you use the quad, you should plug in a charger and charge it fully. The light on the charger will change from red to green when it's fully charged, and after you fully charge the battery, you can use the quad. Make sure you do not leave the quad with empty batteries for storage. You should always, after you use the quad, you should always bring it back and fully charge it before storage. Also, if you don't use the quad, every month you should recharge the battery to make sure the battery will have the proper life. In the next videos I will be installing LED lights, the front LED lights, the back LED lights. I will be installing indicators on the quad, as this quad is for my son. It's his 3rd birthday next month. So follow my next videos, and I will show you how to properly install all the LED lights and do some modifications on this quad. And if you like the quad, you can purchase from our website. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks guys, see you.